Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's tutorial, we will teach you how to change recycle bin storage size on Windows 11. By default, Windows automatically assigns a maximum storage size for the recycle bin on each partition. When you delete any item on your PC, it goes to the recycle bin. The deleted items sit on the recycle bin until you manually delete them, or the recycle bin storage gets full. When the maximum storage limit of recycle bin reaches, Windows automatically deletes the oldest files to make room for new ones. Look for the recycle bin icon. Right-click on it and choose Properties from the list. Look for Settings for selected location. Check Custom Size. Type the new size volume. Click on Apply and OK. You can change the size as many times as you want. Right-click on the recycle bin and choose Properties from the list. Look for Settings for selected location. Check Custom Size. Type the new size volume. Click on Apply and OK. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!